boys.
Oh yeah, that was last weekend.
Is it Crumb and
Yeah, Crumman. Oh, it was the Crumman Creek Tavern.
Yeah, yeah. Did you go to go?
No, I didn't have a ticket. Didn't even
No, I
know.
didn't either.
Didn't even know about it.
I was at a wedding.
Oh, okay.
Remember Kurt Drew?
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. I went up to his wedding.
Oh, he got married up at Funny Cove.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, it was
okay.
really cool.
No wonder he moved up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I used to play.
She's super nice too.
Yeah, I used to play
Yeah.
tennis with him all the time.
Yeah.
So don't need to keep pushing me away. I got the whole shot. Yeah, so I went up to Kurt. Nah, well, he moved up there, what, 12 months ago?
Yeah.
Oh, he moved.
Yeah. The home centre is
Well, he sold his house and
Yes, that's right.
made a big move.
Yeah. No,
That's good.
He's loving it. And the change of work too.
Yeah, because he got out of painting, didn't he?
His brother was huge four-wheel drive.
That's right, it was fitting
Yeah.
bull bars and stuff, yeah?
Yeah,
All the
he
drive stuff.
made the kids out painting pieces. The bus suspension system.
Yeah.
It's gone global.
Yeah.
I can see the whole thing.
He's
that's
to buy all the place to find the kids.
Yeah, right. Oh, there's something your brother-in-law invented.
I think so, yeah.
Oh,
I think
okay.
so, good about it, yeah.
Ah. So what do you do?
I think it's a full swatching.
Adjustment? Oh, adjust. You can
Adjust
adjust
the
it.
whole thing up and,
Yeah.
but it's not just like this suspension, it's the whole framing. It's engineered. Yeah,
Yeah, right. Okay.
Oh, faster! Wow. Nothing. Well done.
That's all we've got. Oh, no. Yeah, right.
That doesn't qualify. It said that's not qualify. Mama? Sir John, may hugasan pa sila dito, oh. Side by side. Ayan. Pero walang sabon.